No.
Please.
Little bird, don't be scared. I will release you soon. Why you come in the house? You know, when the cat see you, nah, the cat will catch you and eat you, nah. You know.
Yeah, and your family will wait for
Your
a long
baby,
time.
yeah, your baby will. No. Oh, it's bite you.
Yeah. He's so cute, little guy.
Tell Hải là don't come again là.
Don't come again. He's a naughty little bird. Be quiet, okay?
Kiss Hải là, kiss her head hả? Mày kiss her head?
I'm to hold her.
No, if I let you hold, boys will fly away. Later I will release her outside. Okay?
Okay.
Go.
Now let's let her go.
Would you like to go? Yeah, really. Of course. Where should we release her?
Here. This is right here.
Oh my God. Are you ready to go?
Let's go.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Go.
Go.
Oh,
Go.
oh, wait.
It's not
Go,
going.
not go. Is something hurt? It got hurt?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's got hurt. Let's take a look. Look, it's hurt somewhere.
I don't
No,
know.
you can fly, little bird. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. You can fly. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. You can fly now. I let you free. Bird. Don't bite me. I just help you. I'm not hurt you now. Don't bite me, please. Oh my God.
He bite you?
Yeah, it's like me. Fly away. I don't hurt you, look. I'm not hurt you. Fly.
Hand down. Let your hand down.
Fly. I'm not hurt
I
you.
have to see it.
No, it's right, bite me. I'm not hurt you, little bird. Fly away.
Nope.
Go, don't bite me. I'm not hurt you. ทำไมไม่บินอ่ะ บินไปได้ทำไมกัดนิ้วเราอย่างเนี้ย
Go, little birdie.
ซิ
Go.
มันกัดนิ้วมือเราเนี่ยดูสิทำไมไม่ไปอ่ะ กัดอยู่นั่นแหละ ไปได้แล้ว
Mommy, let your hand down. I want to see it.
ทำไมไม่ไปอ่ะ
Mommy, I want to see he bite you. I can see. Ah!
นี่ fly away อ่ะ
Where is he? I don't see it.
let's go on the tree อ่ะ bye good luck
What tree? What?
สีแดงหมดเลย